CINAHL is the primary database for nursing. To access it, go to the library website, library.rider.edu. In the middle of the page, find the Databases button. Then, in the middle of the page, click on See, and then scroll down to click on CINAHL. You can go ahead and enter your search terms right away. You can see as I type, I see other terms listed below. Please note that these might work, but they are written by other people who use the database. I'm going to go to Advanced Search now, and I'm going to show you some other tricks that you can do. Like if we wrote opioid epidemic and teenagers, we're going to find articles that only mention teenagers. Adolescents or young adults would be equally good. Go ahead and click Search. Now, I only found 12 articles. What happens if I go through and make these capital OR? I find 154 articles. So what I'm trying to express to you is that AND is for combining terms. I want to find articles with both terms, and OR is to say any of these terms, teenagers or adolescents or young adults. Another thing you can do to broaden your searches even more is to truncate, add a star, teen or adolescent, and I'll keep adults the same. But this way I'll get teen, teenage, teenager. I'll get adolescents, adolescent. Okay, so I went up to 186. See, I want more articles because now I want to narrow them down just a little bit. First of all, I don't want something as old as 2005. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to change the date to 2015. I also want to go back to the advanced search page where I can limit to research article. And while I'm at it, English only, please. Click search. 41 different articles. Now I have a few sets that I can go through to make sure I find articles that are really helpful for me. When I did that, my dates went away, so I'm going to change it again. As I did that, you can see this whole selected field came down. There's another option here that you can make sure that your term is in the title or abstract or a subject heading. So I do like the idea of the word in the title sometimes because I am making my decisions based on that. But you can see the relevancy algorithm has brought them to the top anyway. Now, if I want to access these articles, I can click on this first one. The Get It at Rider University's link opens up the library's linking tool. So now it found it on another page. This one is here as PDF full text. I can access it right away. This one is linked full text. Again, I can access it right away. I had to go to the second page of results to come up with this, but maybe you'll find it the first time that you do it. Click on Place an interlibrary loan request. What that means is that if you click on this, it'll fill out a form for you that you enter in your information, and all the information about the article is here below. Once you click submit, it goes to our interlibrary loan office and they get it for you as fast as they can from another library. Usually it comes in email form, so it will be quick. But if you're doing this last minute, please don't rely on that to come on time. Now, as you go through your articles, and if you find something that looks great and you want to find more articles like this, one thing that you can do is look at the different subject terms listed here. Major psychotropic drugs, substance use disorder, psychofactors. Now, these are assigned by information professionals, and it's a really efficient way to find articles very quickly. If you would like to try to search through these, you can click on this term and go ahead and search through it. But a really efficient way is to go to the top of the page in the blue bar and click on CINAHL Subject Headings. And then we can type our searches here. So I'm going to type in opioid again and click Browse. And now I see a whole bunch of different terms. It says opioids, use narcotics. Perfect. So I'm going to click on narcotics. And now I see different terms, and maybe I want to go look more about fentanyl. And I can see when I click on that box next to it that it opens up and there's another term below it. Tranquilizing agents also has more, and they open up as well. So now what's really great about this database is if I just want to find fentanyl and history or maybe ethical uses of it, I can do that and bring back articles on that topic. So while library databases do work with keywords and subject terms, it's really nice to get a hold of this as well. So once I click on this, I click Search Database. Now, I actually didn't mean to do the or narcotics, so I wanted to show you that it brings up a search term here that says major heading and has the fentanyl, history, ethics, drug effects, and I can just go ahead and delete that part there that said or narcotics. And now I have 3 articles that I can go through here. Now, this is a really cool way for me to say, hey, the history and development of the fentanyl series. Yes, it's from 1992, but yes, it's exactly what I need for my assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and place an interlibrary loan request. Actually, if you find an article awesome like this, you can go ahead and copy the title, open up a new tab, and go to scholar.google.com. and then find the article. What I love doing about it here is that it tells me who cited it, who has used this paper in their results so far. Now, when we're working with Google Scholar, I'm on campus, so if we have the full text of it, here the Get It at Rider University button is listed here. But if it's not listed here, it means that we don't have it. If you're off campus, you're going to have to go back to the library every time and then you can try the title of the article in our One Search tool. Okay, and that's really helpful because now I can look for an interlibrary loan request for it. So you're going to have to try a mix of things to find your articles really fast. I imagine most of you are just going to go back into the library, click on databases, click on CINAHL, and you'll be able to find articles on your topic pretty easily. You'll go in, you'll type in your global health crisis. You might even go ahead and limit right on the side to full text. You might change the date, 2015. And instead of doing all that crazy stuff I did change the terms, you might go look at the subject headings listed here and see if they help you come up with the terms that you're looking for to narrow down your articles. Before this video gets too much longer, I'm going to let you know that just because you've watched this entire 10-minute video doesn't mean that we expect you to know what you need to know to find the article. So click on the Ask a Librarian button. It'll bring you up to our chat page, or better yet, go to the library website and click on chat. And you can search through our knowledge base, you can talk to somebody live, and you can also schedule appointments with us. We do meet with students on video conference. Thank you for watching this video.